Crude oil WTI has respected the support zone. See, we have discussed why 67, 66.5 is a very strong support. What we had seen a stronger recovery here, and 68 zone is yet respected. It is failing to stay above this. While the net gas is also respected the support zone, and it is traded in a very narrow zone so far. What to expect now from the US session? From crude oil and net gas, how we can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the only channel to give you thorough analysis with detailed entries and proper reasoning on where to enter, where to exit, how to profit from crude oil and natural gas. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And remember, this is the only channel to give you two updates. Thus, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start firstly look into US crude, followed with net gas. Now see oil here on the hourly charts. What did we discuss earlier in the day? Watch my first update. I have mentioned very clearly the support zone is created here. The bearishness is getting diminished. It could try to retrace. What has happened? It has continued here with the retracement formation. Now 68 it is still respecting. It is still shying away from 68. Once it stays above 68 and then 68.4, 68.6, then we can say that it is trying to reverse. Else oil is not showing much strength. It is just trading with the within this retracement channel. On the downside, 67.3, 67 are now very good support. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD after the crossover is now trying to rise, trying to bounce back. RSI is rising as well. On the 2-hour charts, yes, a flat bottom and then the reversal sign. Though lower highs are seen, but yes, if it breaks 68 levels, you can initiate a buying entry. However, 68.3, 68.6, very good resistance will be seen till towards 68.6, and any move beyond 68.6 will be a confirmation of further bullishness, further advancement, where the prices can move towards 69 and plus levels. Right now the movement is very sluggish here. Stochastic here entering into overbought zone. MACD has crossed over here at the lows and now looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls, but let it diverge more. See, bullishness is definitely there. However, the momentum is not very much supportive of such a stronger rise. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. What it is trying to do with this move is trying to bring the indicators to comfortable levels. We have seen indicators getting to oversold zone, and now this retracement is a must for it to continue. Even if it has to drop, it has to retrace a bit. Now what is happening on the 3-hour chart? See, first of all, this is how it has been trading. This was the bullish channel in which it is traded, then a sharp drop is seen. Now look what has happened. Strong consolidation here. After consolidation, there is only one way. I have mentioned earlier in the day that only and only if it breaches 68, 6.8, 66.5, that should be treated as a bearish breakout. Else it is looking upwards, staying bullish. What has happened in the preceding 2 to 3 candles? Preceding candle is definitely a swing candle, and current candle is starting on the upside. So I can look forward to further up move, which can take the price towards 68.3, 68.6 zone. Possibility is very strong. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, see, first of all, a reversal sign, diminishing bearishness, reversal sign, first bullish candle swing, higher lows. This suggests that it is going to continue with the bullishness here. So possibility will be very high that we may see it moving towards 68.3, 68.6 zone here. And this is definitely going to be a critical resistance beyond which you can expect it to move towards the 20 period moving average, that is towards the $69 levels. And yes, any drop below 67.3 is the only confirmation of further bearishness here. Look at the support zone, or let me include 67.2. Below 67.2 is where the bears are waiting. As long as 67.2 is not taken, we should not treat this as stochastic rising here. MACD sharply bearish, trying to converge. RSI is still staying oversold. Coming to daily, if you look at the daily chart, see what did we discuss here? See, this was, look at the formation: bearish move, retracement, drop, retracement, bigger drop, a bit of retracement. Now you can connect these. You can find out oil is trading in this channel here. This is a retracement channel. Only bearishness is if you see it is staying below 66.5, where you can expect if it drops below 66.5, first is 66, next is 65. Yes, it can form a double bottom here. Right now the stance is not so strong for such a sharper drop. So yes, this is under retracement and it could continue here with the rise. Stochastic oversold here, MACD converging here for a crossover for sell, and RSI has dropped. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 67.8 levels, expect 68, 68.3 and 68.5, 68.6 levels as the next targets, and staying above 68.6 you can look forward to 69 as the next targets. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 67.2, where you can expect 67, 66.8 and 66.5. Till 66.5, very good support. Below that, crash will be seen. We can look forward to 66, 65.6 and then 65 levels as well. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at natural gas. And before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Let's have a look at natural. See, natural gas is staying in the box here, failing to stay above 2.8 and failing to drop below 2.76 zone. It is just staying in the box. It has to come out of this box. On the upside, resistance is very clear. On the downside, support is also very clear. So either it has to come out of this or either it has to break above this. So both the ways we have to uh, take a position. That is also clear. See, moving average is crossing over here, definitely a bearish sign. Price is retraced towards moving average and now willing to take a direction. Stochastic looking down. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. It's a good sign for the buyers, as after a bit of journey towards the bottom, now looking upwards. So a little retracement cannot be denied. RSI looking downwards here. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts here, similar is the observation, nothing different. The moving averages have not yet crossed over here. These have just converged and prices are just staying with the support. So any break beyond 2.8 should be an ideal point for us to take a buying position for 2.8 to 2.85 levels, and then 2.9 can be seen, but 2.85 definitely a strong hurdle it is. The stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD trading bearish and RSI is already staying at the bottom here. On the 3 hour charts also, if you look at now, see what is happening on the 3 hour charts. Drop, retracement. Now see, ideally this is a reversal sign. What has happened post reversal? We have seen a good rise. Now it is under retracement. Also, if you look at the support from the 50 period is very strong. So it appears that it is going to be very difficult for nat gas to drop below 2.7674 zone. It can consolidate here in the zone before taking a direction. So as long as now I will say 2.7674 zone is not taken, we have to be very careful here with the sells in natural gas. Stochastic is rising here, looking up for sign for the bulls. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also trying to trade slightly bearish. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. I'll still not treat this as bearish. Yes, it is showing a swing. It can reverse again. It can hit the highs as well. And right now the movement appears to be very much restricted, very much in zone. And thus I will say stay away. Let it give a breakout before you take a position. The stochastic oversold trying to bounce back. MACD is bearish here and RSI has dropped. Coming to daily. Now see on the daily charts, see this is important. As you can see, this is identically symmetrical movement. These two candles symmetrical, these two candles symmetrical, higher lows here, and it is respecting the support here. Also, why 2.7674 is important, because once it breaches the zone, it is going to lead to a sharper correction. We can look forward to 2.7, and then in fact it can keep moving towards 2.6 zone. Yes, if not today, possibly with the next candle, it can keep moving towards the zone. As long as it stays above 2.7, the chances appears to be less that we can see a drop. But yes, right now I can say that a breakout here is something which is going to be very important for the day. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Let it cross over. The drop sharp retracement, and if it reverses from here, it is going to bring more bearishness. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. So considering this, see, buying entry is very clear. Only about 2.8 I will recommend you to buy, where you can expect it to keep moving towards 2.83, 2.86 zone. And in fact, you can buy here at 2.78 itself, but this is going to be a bit riskier. Let it be beyond 2.8 itself. And then once it stays beyond 2.8586, you can say that the bulls are back. 2.9 will be seen here. Chances for such a stronger move appears to be. While on the downside, a selling entry can be taken once you see the higher prices below 2.76. You can take a selling entry, expect 2.74. Now, this zone is completely critical, 2.7476. As long as it stays in the zone, you should not be treating this as either bullish or bearish. Below 2.74 is where we can look forward to a gap filling exercise, which can take the prices towards 2.7 and in fact lower levels. towards 2.65. 2.6 is also possible. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews which are going to be delivered tomorrow. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel and press the bell icon. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.